Well, the way I got into design is kind of like a miracle. I had no clue what an art school was about, no clue. On top of that, my family is utterly indifferent to art and design, and I was the same. What happened was that I got bored, tired of my routine, but I had this incredible wonder of what is it outside of this dreadful office of mine. So I'm a civil engineer from Ecuador. Oh my god, just civil engineer sounds so boring. Well, I worked in a 9 to 5 job for like 6 years until I realized that if I really wanted to create an impact in people, I had to get out of my comfort zone and risk everything. And I'm not kidding. I barely saw my daughter for 2 years. I left my wife at the time, and I left my entire family support structure. But don't get sad. At the end, I rediscovered myself, and I understood that the way I needed to innovate, it was through design. So what keeps me motivated and inspired is that in the world that I entered, it's full of people different than me and weird, but in a good way. And when I noticed this, I decided to never look back and simply enjoy this venture where everything flows and connects, because nothing is right or wrong anymore. I felt uplifted, and that's what keeps me moving forward every day. Since 2018, when I started my master's, my life took a U-turn for the better. The creative industries show me that I can actually abstract my ideas and turn them into realities. But not just that, it put me in a place where I can feel and almost touch the impact that my creations have on people. I have a saying now. Winning this award would represent the validation of my attempt of empowering vulnerable populations. But also, it will show that people care and people want to help. Just us, the creatives, have to find a way to bring them on board, guide them, show them the path for that humane mindset that we need. Winning this award would mean that I'm not alone. It's fascinating, actually. Deploy has been selected to be part of the startup program led by Innovation RCA. They have given us our first investment to implement a small manufacturing line back in Wales. Also, we're getting a lot of traction from the private sector. But most importantly, is the amount of people that is reaching out to us. People from Senegal, India, Turkey, Chile, and more. They want to find out more about the product and its availability because they need it. Water management is something to take very seriously, and we're enabling people in vulnerable areas to have an easier access to water infrastructure. But we're not stopping there. The necessity for water storage in the fight against wildfires is increasing, and we believe that affordable and lightweight products like Deploy can make a huge difference in the coverage of water resources in high-risk areas. I believe we will be launching our first product in the next 12 months. Stay tuned.